Hello, let's look at how you can fix a typo in different types of content. Working with reusable content hugely saves time for your editors. Consider fixing a typo, for example. Reusable content doesn't create copies when you display it in a channel. Even when it's displayed on multiple places, Xperience references a single original item in the Content Hub. To fix an error, you need to change just the item itself in the Content Hub application, and it automatically updates on all the referenced places. If the typo is in content tied to a specific channel, like a website, you have to fix it on each page which contains the text with the typo. If you don't know what type of content you are looking for, check the widget in the page builder. Let's see a few examples. Let's start with an article. When you find or are informed about an error in an article, like this one, you can look for the page in the content tree. The page is like a picture frame. It shows you what the final production looks like, but the photograph in the frame, in our case the article, is an independent piece of content. Once you find the right page, you can see the name of the article you need to fix. Go to the Content Hub application that stores these reusable content items and create a new version of the article item. Fix the error and publish the content item, which automatically displays the change in all the places that reference this article. Next, let's fix the SEO title. Since you'll need to fix an SEO title, which is channel-specific content, you need to go to the website channel, not the Content Hub which stores reusable content. Open the article and create a new version of the page. In the Content tab, fix the SEO title and publish the page. Lastly, let's see a product benefit. As you can see in the benefits here, one of the icons doesn't look right. Find the benefit in the Content Hub and create a new version. Select the icon you want to display and publish the updated version. You'll see the change on the live page right away. These were examples of how you can fix an error in different types of content in Xperience by Kentico. Thanks for watching.